Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be trying out some new Sheglam makeup. But before I do that, I just want to say thank you for all your lovely messages and comments on my last video, guys. I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you so much. So now we're going to do something fun and we're going to try out some new Sheglam makeup. I don't have lots of new makeup, but the things I do have look good and I'm excited to try them out. So let me just run through a few things I have. So I have this, which apparently is brand new, and it is the Sunbeam Matte Liquid Bronzer. I've been loving liquid and cream products right now and I love bronzing things, so I'm so excited about this. Then I have this Crystal Jelly Glaze stick, which apparently went viral on TikTok. So there's a couple of shades of this, but I have one here to try out. That's what it looks like there. Then also I have this sparkly eyeshadow. It's called the Enigma Sparkly Eyeshadow. Again, there's a couple of shades of this. But I picked up this one here, which looks absolutely gorgeous. How pretty does that look? Like, I'm hoping it looks that sparkly on my eyes. I'm excited for that. And then also I have this here, which is another cream bronzer. I've had this one for a little while actually, but I haven't used it yet. That's what it looks like right there. So I'll run through all the shades and everything that I have once I get to each product. I'm hoping this one has a little bit more of a glowier finish to this one here, which is apparently supposed to have a matte finish. I'm excited to get into both of them because again, I love bronzing products. So when I ordered these products, I also ordered my favourite eyelash glue. It's this clear one. Like, I love this. So I got another one of this. I've been loving this for like a good few years now. Like, it sticks my lashes amazingly. And if you guys haven't tried this and are into wearing false eyelashes, then I recommend this glue. Like, I feel this is a lot better to apply to the eyes than the other glues because it sets really fast, so you don't have to like wait too long for, you know, your lashes to dry down a bit before you apply them. You can also get it in a black shade as well, which you can use for obviously like a wing liner too, which I think is great. I have that, but I go through the clear one. I use this one like a lot more than the black one, of course. Yeah, so I got another one of them. Now there is one more thing that I got which I'm very excited about, and it is this hair tool from Sheglam. Like, they're starting to do these hair tools now and I think they all look amazing, but this one I got here because I think it's probably one of the most popular ones. It's called the It Curl One Touch Instant Curler. So it's like this little kind of like curling wand machine. It looks so good. Like, apparently you wrap your hair, like you just put your hair through the little slot here, you press the button and it wraps it round and curls it like within like seconds. So it looks amazing, but I am going to try this in a separate video though. Today I just want to focus on the makeup products that I have, but I will be doing a video and review on this, guys. So yeah, I'm so excited for this. I will do that video very soon, so you don't have to wait too long. I also got the Hot Streak Oil. That's the component there. I've got this to also try alongside the hair tool. So excited about the hair stuff now. So like I said, I will do a separate video for that, but it will be very soon. The first thing I'm going to start off with is the bronzing product, and this is their Sunbeam Matte Liquid Bronzer, and according to the information here, it says it's a highly pigmented, easy blendable and long wearing formula. It says it provides the perfect natural sun-kissed complexion with little to no effort. And the shade I have is Burnt Sienna. That's the little kind of like applicator, it's like a little small sponge thing. That's the shade there. It looks like it has a good bit of warmth, but hopefully it has a little bit of coolness to it as well when I apply it to my cheeks. Now I want to try both of the bronzing products today, so I'm going to just apply this to one side of my face and then apply the other cream bronzer to the other side. I'm going to start off by applying it to this side, and I really don't know how many dots to do, but we'll do 3 and we'll see how this goes. I've taken it a little bit higher than my actual hollow just to kind of lift the face a little. Hopefully it sculpts it as well. Okay, I like this shade. It has like warmth to it, but it also has a little bit of coolness to it as well that can kind of sculpt the face, which is what I actually love and prefer actually in a bronzer, where you can kind of use it to sculpt as well as bronze the cheek. And that was actually really easy to blend in. It does say that it's, you know, a really easy blendable formula, and yeah, I do think it blended really nice into my cheek. Now I'm just going to do my forehead, and I feel like I want to do maybe just one big splodge because I feel like it does go quite a long way. This blends out really easily, and it has a really nice kind of flawless finish to it as well. Like, oh, that's actually so pretty. Like, I love the shade of this one. Now I'm just going to take a little bit along my jawline, and with that I'm just going to run the sponge just along here. I'm loving the finish of this side of my face. Like, I love that it's more defined, it's sculpted this side of my face a little bit more. Like, as you can see, this side and my cheekbone is just more defined, and my forehead is nice and bronzed. My jawline is a bit more chiseled, which is good. Like, it's a little bit more defined as well, and I love the colour. I just love as well how easy it is to blend out. Next thing we're going to try is the Silky Haze Cream Bronzer. The information says that this is a delicate, silky and easy to blend formula, helping to achieve a natural and even makeup effect. The shade I've got is Caramel, and this one looks a little bit kind of deeper, maybe a wee bit more warmer than the Burnt Sienna shade, but we'll see how it goes on my cheeks. So with this, I'm just going to pick it up directly on my brush. So I'm just going to tap my brush in there, and the brush I'm using for this is a Sigma F43 soft angled cheek brush. This is like my absolute favourite for applying like cream and liquid products. Like, it's quite new actually. I think it came out last year, and like, I just love it. It is amazing. It doesn't actually say what the finish of this is, but it's called the Silk Haze Cream Bronzer, so I'm assuming it must have like a maybe like a satin type of finish, but we'll see when I apply it. With this, I'm just going to apply it right in the same area as I applied the other bronzer. Okay, so this is looking very, very natural. Okay, wow. The shade is actually really pretty as well. My god, I'm so excited about these right now. Like, there's not many products from Sheglam in the past that I've gotten on with, like, especially the bronzing products, but this, oh, this is looking gorgeous. So was the other one as well, like, though, but yeah, wow. This one I feel like is a little bit more like beginner friendly, so if you're not, you know, that confident with makeup and feel like you apply too much, then I feel like this is a really great bronzer for you. This one I feel melts a little bit easier into the cheeks than the other one, so it looks like more natural on the cheeks. I love the finish of this one as well. Like, it has a little bit more of a healthier glow to it. This one is matte, but I feel like it looks healthy. This one just looks like extra healthier on the skin and a little bit less detectable than this one on the face, if you know what I mean. This one melts more into the cheeks. I'm going to take this along my jawline as well. Okay, that is beautiful. Now that I've applied both of them to either side, like, which one do you prefer? Honestly, it's a hard one because I love the finish of both of them. Like, with this one here, it kind of chisels and sculpts the face more than this one. However, I love how bronzy this one looks and how flawless and natural the formula is, that it just melts into the cheeks and the face really. This one gives a bit more definition, whereas this one just gives a lovely bronzing, natural look. I'm so impressed with these. Like, genuinely, I did not expect to love these as much as I do. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I set my face with a little bit of powder, and now we're going to move on to the eye things. So I'm going to try this little guy first, which is the Crystal Jelly Glaze stick, and the shade I have is Starlit Silver. So that's the colour there. I'll give it a little swatch. Okay, very metallic, very reflective. With this, I just assume you blend in with your finger, so I'm going to apply the little stick directly onto my eye. I just want to test this out first because I've seen little little videos on TikTok. It's like a little jelly stick, which is cool. But anyway, I'm going to apply this onto my eye, just wind it down a little bit. Oh, it feels like kind of cooling and wet on the eye, like the feeling. Like, I feel like I have a wet eyelid right now. Oh, wow, look how reflective that is. Amazing. Okay, so this lash is a little bit funny right here in the inner part. I don't know what's going on with that. I think it's either not stuck down right, or else there's a little clump there. I'm not sure, but anyway, just ignore that. This is how the shadow's looking on the eyes, and that is one gorgeous shadow. Like, how pretty is this? Like, so easy to apply, very effortless, and like, look at the amount of shine that this has. It's funny because when you like initially apply it, it feels like a little bit cold and wet, like the feeling on your lid, but it kind of just goes normal, like now that it's been on for like a few minutes. Like, this is annoying. Something here is not quite right. Forget it. Imagine if you had like, you know, some other shadows underneath, like some other matte, like if you had some mattes underneath and then applying this on the lid, like that would just really, really pop. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. I can see how these have went viral because like, look at that, it's amazing. So, so beautiful. Now on the other side, I'm going to try this one, which is the Enigma Sparkly Eyeshadow, and that looks stunning. It says it has a diamond-like shine packed with micro fine glitter and shimmers for extreme sparkle. Let's dive into it. It says this one you can use with your fingers or a brush. That's how that one looks right there, and this one is a little bit finer, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that well there. I'll just get it on my eyes and we can judge it from there. Yeah, I'm just going to pick this up with my finger and start applying it onto my lid. Okay, wow, that's adorable, that shade. Like, oh, that is really nice. So this one has more of a kind of bronzier look to it, whereas this one obviously is more silver, but this one's more like a bronzy colour, which is really, really gorgeous. I'm just going to take my brush, because it says you can also apply this with your brush. Now again, with these, I don't have a favourite. Like, I love both of them. They are both stunning in their own way. Like, I love that this one is a little bit more of a scattered diamond-like sparkle, whereas this one is more straight up metallic and striking. They're both beautiful. Like, I love the shades as well. Like, I love this silvery colour, and this one's a little bit more bronzy with a hint of copper to it, I would say. Yeah, so they are both stunning eyeshadows. This one could actually be a dupe for the Space Cowboy from Urban Decay, or any of their Moon Dust shadows. Like this, I think this, and there's many other shades of this as well, could be a dupe for those Urban Decay ones. So stunning. Okay, so as we're on it with Sheglam stuff, I want to finish off my face with a little bit of blush, and you know, I've been loving my blush lately, surprisingly, and this one I want to use from Sheglam. Like, it's not new, but it's been a while since I've used it, so I want to see how it goes again. It's really nice, kind of peachy coral, which is really nice. The shade is Hush Hush, and I think with this, so that I don't mess up my cheeks, I'll apply it to my hand and I'll pick it up with my brush. That's a really pretty colour. It's been a while since I've used that, and I'm glad I've used it again because that is gorgeous. Okay, here we have everything together again, and the Sunbeam bronzer, this one is beautiful. I love that this one here you can kind of contour the face as well as bronze. I have it on this side here, and if you can maybe see, like, it's a little bit more sculpted, like on this side, like my cheekbone and that, than this side. I love that this also has a really flawless matte finish to it, and is very easy to blend out. Like, the formula is very, very lightweight, and the colour of this one in particular is beautiful. It's the shade Burnt Sienna, gorgeous for kind of like medium complexion. And then this Silky Haze cream bronzer is stunning, like absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to use this a lot because of like how easy and flawless it looks on the cheeks. Like, not only flawless, it looks very, very natural on the cheeks. Seriously, it just blends and melts beautifully into the cheeks. Like, it's very undetectable. Like, it doesn't even look like makeup, you know, on your cheeks. And I also love the colour of this one. It's a gorgeous warm colour, but not too warm. Like, it's not orangey at all on my complexion. You know, it has the perfect undertone to it. You know, it has some warmth, but it also has a little bit of coolness, that it kind of just looks very natural on the cheeks. I love that it has a healthy glow to it as well. It's a stunning bronzer. And then this Crystal Jelly Glaze stick is absolutely beautiful as well. Like, look at it on my eyes. How beautiful is that? Like, let's just pretend this eyelash hasn't bugged us the entire video. Anyway, this stick is beautiful. I love how easy this is to blend out, and look at the kind of metallic shine that this has got. Like, so beautiful. Yeah, I just love the colour of this as well. Like, it's a gorgeous silver colour, but it's not like too silvery. It's kind of like the perfect undertone. Like, it's not like a grey silver, you know, it's just like the perfect silver colour. And then the Enigma Sparkly Eyeshadow is gorgeous, absolutely stunning as well. I love that diamond like scattered shimmery crystal sparkle. This is also so easy to apply, like you barely need to blend this out. This would be a gorgeous topper for like a bunch of other matte shades underneath. Like, oh, can you imagine like the looks that you get with this? Like, I just love it on its own, like, you know, as it is, but I can also imagine how beautiful it would look with other kind of darker eyeshadows and then applying this on top to like really pop. This is how it looks on its own, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm loving that all of these have turned out well for me in this video, because normally in my testing Sheglam videos there's either 1, 2, 3, 4 products that I don't love, but all 4 of these I absolutely love. Like, you can see how they look on my face right now. I will link them down below in the description box for you if you're interested in picking any of them up for yourself. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed already, then hit the subscribe button down below. And I'll speak to you all very soon in my next video. Bye.